Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this Hyundai Veloster and today we have the issue about the trunk latch. Basically you cannot open the trunk from the exterior. First of all, I want to show you what is the spare part you have to get. I bought it in Amazon, so it was 16 bucks. I'm gonna leave the link right here down below in the description if you want to get it too. Alright, so right here we have the spare part. So when you press right here underneath, you heard the click. It is supposed that you can open the trunk then. Right here. Well, this is the closer I can get, but basically right here you can see that it's broken. The first thing we have to do is open the trunk from the interior of the vehicle. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you come this way, right here on the back in the trunk, and you're gonna see right here where the hinge is located up here, it's like a toggle. So you can take the car key, the same car key that you have, you take off the key and you insert the key. It could be anything, it doesn't have to be a key, but you just have to insert it and move the lever to the side as it's indicated in this draw, and you push hard. There we go. And as you can see, I just opened the trunk. So now we have to remove this plastic cover. As you can see, I just removed what is the cover. So now we have access to the latch. Okay, so to take off the handle. Okay, so first we're gonna unplug the connection right here. Just press down this lever and pull it. Now we're gonna look for this bolt and this other one. This is a nut number 10. So we're gonna take them off. And here is the third one. There is one more. Now, once you remove the three of them, an easy way to remove it is just taking this blue nipple that is right here with the pliers. Take it, squeeze it, and push it out. There we go. Now you can come this way and do the same thing on this plastic nipple. So, all right. There we go. Now I'm gonna take off the cable. There we go. So right now, here in the handle, what we are going to do, I'm gonna remove this thing, but first I'm gonna take off this connection right here so I can make more room to remove the other ones. Okay. Now I have more room. So look, this is how it was. It's broken. You see, there's no rubber cover on the top. Okay, I'm gonna replace it. But before, I'm gonna remove the base, which is this one. Let me take off this one. There we go. We're gonna put this in the new part right here. Okay. Now this thing and this one. Alright, I'm gonna take advantage to clean this part. So coming back right here, as you can notice, the gasket is drifted apart. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take crazy glue and I'm gonna paste the seal in its place so the water doesn't come in and damage the system again. I'm just gonna put the new latch. Alright. I'm gonna put back the camera. It goes right here. Now I'm gonna put back the connector right in its place, just like this. This cable place. Now I'm gonna disconnect the old latch, which is this one. There we go. And now I'm gonna connect this one in its place. That's it. And we have now everything in its place. So I'm gonna put back the handle. Let's put it back. I'm gonna pass the connection right here, the cable. Push the cables all the way in. Now it's in its place. We're gonna put the bolts on the other side first. All we can do is just to plug in the connection and now do a test. You can hear it when I press the button. Again, I can open it from the exterior. And now it's working. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We're gonna put back the nuts right here, the bolts. Now the second one up here. The third one. Alright, so now I'm gonna put back the cover. All I have to do is put it in position and press it hard. Alright, and that's it. Alright guys, now you can open the car back again from the outside, from the trunk latch. And as always, thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you next time, bye bye.